Car insurance protects you when your car is stolen or damaged, but we are everything.
Oh no, so let's say your insurance pays up to, what, 80% of the cost. What about this 20% up here? Well, if you have a car loan, chances are you have something that's called gap insurance.
It is supposed to cover that 20%, filling the gap left by the other insurance. But a 2 Wants to Know viewer called us after his gap insurance wouldn't kick in.
Yeah, 2 Wants to Know's Faith Abubey found out why, and it's a lesson for all drivers.
The damage might not look that bad to you, but this car is totaled. After the crash, there was no question the other driver's insurance would pay. But it didn't pay enough to cover the News 2 viewer's loan on the car. He thought his gap insurance would cover the rest. It didn't. Attorney David Daggett says gap insurance doesn't work like many of us think it does.
But you have to be prudent to get the fair value for your vehicle.
This is what Daggett means. Your car depreciates as soon as you walk off the lot. So in this example, let's say your car loan is $30,000 and the value of your car is actually $25,000 after you drove it off the lot. Gap insurance steps in and covers the difference between the value of your car and the loan, which in this case is $5,000. But let's say you got in an accident and you settled for lower than the value of your car. Gap insurance still only covers the difference between the value of your car and the loan, not between the settlement and the loan, which means you're on the hook for the rest.
So if you're in a wreck and you settle for less than the fair market value, that's on you. That's not on the gap insurance company.
So the lesson here, make sure your settlement is at least equal the value of your car. The details can vary depending on your gap insurance. Make sure you read the papers.
And also, just because the fair market value for your car is a certain amount doesn't mean that insurance will pay that much. Things like wear and tear, prior incidents, they all factor in. Now, we've got these details on how you can find your car's fair market value in our web story. Just check the 2 Wants to Know section of WFMYnews2.com.